Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the world of culinary science, where we'll explore the chemistry behind cooking and unravel the secrets behind the flavors we enjoy every day. When we think about cooking, we often focus on the delicious aromas and mouth-watering tastes that fill our senses. But have you ever wondered why certain ingredients interact the way they do? It's all about chemistry, the science that explains the transformations that occur during the cooking process. Let's start with heat. When we apply heat to food, it triggers a series of chemical reactions that bring out unique flavors and textures. One such reaction is known as the Maillard reaction. This occurs when proteins and sugars in the food react under high heat, resulting in the beautiful golden brown crust on a steak or the irresistible aroma of freshly baked bread. Now, let's dive into the world of flavor enhancement. Have you ever wondered why a pinch of salt can make all the difference in a dish? Salt, chemically known as sodium chloride, works its magic through a process called ion exchange. Sodium ions from the salt replace some of the hydrogen ions in the food, enhancing the perception of taste. This is why a well-seasoned dish is more flavorful and satisfying. Moving on to the realm of baking, we encounter another fascinating chemical reaction, leavening. Have you ever wondered how bread rises or how cakes become fluffy? The answer lies in the release of carbon dioxide gas during the leavening process. When a leavening agent like yeast or baking powder is mixed with flour, it produces carbon dioxide bubbles, causing the dough or batter to rise and create a light, airy texture. Let's not forget about the role of acids in cooking. Acidic ingredients like lemon juice, vinegar, or yogurt add a tangy or sour taste to our dishes. They also serve a crucial function in the kitchen. Acids can denature proteins, tenderizing meat and breaking down tough fibers. Additionally, acids can activate certain enzymes, contributing to the overall flavor and texture of the final product. Now, let's talk about emulsions. You may have heard of the term emulsion in the context of salad dressings or mayonnaise. An emulsion is a mixture of two immiscible liquids, such as oil and water, held together with the help of an emulsifying agent. Emulsifiers, such as lecithin found in egg yolks, stabilize the mixture by creating a barrier between the oil and water molecules. This allows us to create creamy and smooth sauces and dressings that tantalize our taste buds. Lastly, let's explore the wonders of caramelization. When sugar is heated, it undergoes a chemical process known as caramelization. As the sugar molecules break down and rearrange themselves, they produce a complex mixture of compounds that give caramel its rich color and distinctive flavor. Caramelization adds depth and sweetness to a variety of dishes, from caramelized onions to crème brûlée. As you can see, the science of everyday cooking is a fascinating and intricate web of chemical reactions. By understanding the chemistry behind our favorite dishes, we can unlock new culinary possibilities and elevate our cooking skills to new heights. So, the next time you step into the kitchen, remember that you're not just creating a meal, you're conducting a symphony of flavors guided by the principles of chemistry. Embrace the science behind the stove, and let your culinary creations become a delicious testament to the wonders of cooking chemistry. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the science of everyday life and the chemistry behind cooking. Stay tuned for more captivating scientific insights in the world of food and beyond. Until next time, happy cooking!